Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from Japan. That's right, Miles, Japan. This is a ramen trunk from Japan, a subscription box. You can use the coupon code RamenRaider20 off. That's, well, look, there you can see it. And get 20% off a single box or a subscription. So these are like really premium, ultra cool boxes. Without further ado, let's crack it open. Cool, wow, yeah, let's see what's inside. So first off, we've got a thank you note. No, thank you. And on the other side, it's got some information about Ramen Trunk, pretty cool. And as with pretty much all of the subscription boxes, this is the valuable information about what you get and how to cook it. Without this, you might be up the creek. So if you get one of these boxes, hang on to this info. So the theme of this ramen trunk is Hello Hokkaido. This is the March 2019 edition. The first thing I pulled out is a Myojo Ippichan Mayo Beam Yakisoba. This is a big one, lots of yakisoba. If you like yakisoba, you're gonna dig this. Next up is Ebisoba Miso Ichigen from Kurume, Hokkaido. It's from Ebisoba, a ramen restaurant originally founded in Sapporo. And wow, this looks really freaking fancy. It's got cooking instructions and it's 2 servings. So wow, check that out. Holy moly, what do we have here? This is Keyaki Miso Ramen from Sapporo, Hokkaido. Welcome to Hokkaido. No visit to Hokkaido is complete without a bowl of their famous miso ramen. This month we have a unique combo pack. The first set is the famous miso ramen from the Sapporo-based Keyaki Ramen. Well, they found newspaper that was used for wrapping in a previous unboxing. So that's exciting, isn't it? So it kind of looks like there's 2 different kinds, or there's 2 different ways of serving it, but wow, is it 2 of each? It kind of looks that way. It looks like it's in 4 servings. So that's crazy. This is like, there's some heft to this. This is a lot of stuff. Cool, thank you. Next is this interesting little, I mean, look at the design of this one. This is new to me. Furano Torikawa Ramen from Furano, Hokkaido. Yeah, some Hokkaido ramen. This is such a neat package. I've never seen anything like that. That's rad. And there's some extras in here again this month. Nice set of chopsticks and a spoon. Some seaweed to add in. An almond cranberry Kit Kat. And what I believe to be a matcha Kit Kat. Alright, so in this, the March 2019 Hello Hokkaido Ramen Trunk, you get Ebisoba Miso Ichigen, 2 kinds of Japanese Kit Kats, chopsticks and a spoon, a fancy yakisoba, Furano Tomekawa Ramen, a combo pack, which I'll correct myself now because it's actually, these are 2 different things and there's 2 of each. The white one is Keyaki Miso Ramen from Sapporo. And the darker colored one is Shirakaba Sanso Miso Ramen from Sapporo. A little bit of seaweed to go on top, your valuable information, and a thank you note. Wow! Alright, well cool. Thank you to the folks over at Ramen Trunk for shooting this over. Again, the coupon code is RamenRaider20 off. If you want to check one of these things out, get 20% off. Elmo, do you want a box of ramen for Elmo?
Elmo.
Yeah? Does he eat?
Eat.
Alright then, we'll feed Elmo some ramen. Alright, this has been Hans and this has been
Elmo.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.